Following the recent controversy and drama Unity had, they decided to go for a bold move and release a new version of Unity called Unity GDT. Now this seems like a whole new thing, kind of like Unity 2.0, a whole separate other thing. And they said, and I quote, "Hopefully this will show the reasoning behind our new policy. The tools and advancement you get with this version will hopefully be worth it." Now that's a very vague kind of thing to say, but we can't expect too much from the CEO, so I'm okay with that. And GDT, I don't know what it stands for, but I'm guessing since they had like Unity 2.3.5 and then they moved on to like 2019, 2022 kind of thing, maybe now they're going for letters, and Unity GDT might be, you know, just the name they chose to go for. As you can see, they also changed the icon, so we might just, you know, just check it out. There's a link in the description if you want to download this version, check it out for yourself, or you can just watch me check it out. Okay, so seems like they redesigned the whole Unity Hub thing. It's looking completely different now, but I'm liking the new colors and everything. So let's just, I guess we'll just create a project. And from what I can see, they removed the whole URP, HDRP thing, and now we just have forward plus mobile and compatibility, which I'm a big fan of, since, you know, those could get, before they could get a bit complicated and stuff. I'll just go for forward plus, since that was, you know, already there when I turned it on. And let's just go ahead and see what this looks like. Wow, oh my, I think Unity finally did it. I mean, this project was like created and opened in like a few seconds. I remember Unity doing that before. They must have done like some really good backend work or something, because Unity would before take like 10 minutes to create a new project, and now it was just a few seconds. And as you can see, they changed the whole UI. I really like the colors. It's much simpler before. Like, my eyes don't hurt as much. Actually, they don't hurt at all. I'm fine with my eyes are fine. So recently I made this game in Unity, or I started making it, the survival game, and I was thinking of porting it to this new version if it's as good as they say. So I guess maybe I would just need a character at first just to see how things are working. I guess I would need a 3D scene. I guess that would be the world or something, or map world, yeah. And maybe just a plane. So I would need like what would I need? Like a static object. Yeah, a static body. That's perfect. Okay, and then okay, so that's a new thing. So I'm guessing now if something's not working, or if it's not gonna work, you get this kind of warning thing. And if you click it, it tells you exactly what to do. So I guess I need a collision shape. So I'll just maybe add a child to that called collision shape 3. That's exactly what I need. And maybe I'll just choose box, and then change the values, maybe like 30 and 30, and maybe just make it flatter. Okay, but I also don't have a mesh yet. Maybe if I just, I don't know, what could it be, like a mesh instance? Yeah, okay, I'll add a mesh instance, and then maybe just like a plane. Okay, and maybe I'll just make it bigger to match the... Okay, so now, okay, I already got this set up. Maybe I'll just save it. Okay, and maybe... So I'm guessing they renamed the scenes kind of now. A scene can be either a prefab or an actual scene. So I guess I'll go create a new scene and I'll call that player. It'll be a 3D scene, and yeah. So I get this whole new thing kind of just to play around with the player. So what would I need for the player? Maybe like a character body. That's exactly what I need. How did it know? And the warning again, I guess I need a collision shape again. Oh, this is really cool. Yeah, I really like the node system. It works really well. Unity did it great. I guess I'll add a capsule and then just move it up. Okay, what else? I mean, since it's like a first-person game that I was making, I'll just add like what's the most basic 3D thing, I guess. Yeah, most basic 3D object. That's like a empty object. Yeah, I'll name that pivot, and I'll move it up for like the camera pivot, and then I'll just add a camera. That's simple. Yeah, I'll just do that, and I'm guessing all I need now is like a script. So I guess I'll go here and maybe just like, yeah, a new script. Wow, and look at this. This is something new. They're gonna fill my script with a template based on the object that I selected. That's new. I mean, we've had scripts before like this, you know, official scripts, but you always had to import something, a package or something, then find it, then kind of like play around with it. It wasn't this straightforward. So I really like this new approach. And yeah, they've done the whole thing for me with velocity, and I can even jump. I mean, since it's like a first person game, I could maybe make like a, and this is not C# anymore, guys. This is something else, but I guess, let me just see. I'll make a camera variable and maybe like a sensitivity variable. Set that to something small. And I think I heard somewhere that I think like a bird told me or something that the new start function is now called ready. So I guess I can just assign the camera here to be pivot camera. That's the one that's in my scene. Yeah, that's it. And let me just real quickly, I'll just do the input mouse, and to rotate the camera, I guess maybe I'll just do something like this. Yeah, I guess I'll save that. Okay, let's see if we need anything else in our world. I'm guessing we don't have, did we put in like, no, we didn't put in any kind of, but we can just these 3 buttons and add a sun and add an environment. We've got that done, and now I can just drag my player in, and let's see what we have now. And oh my god, okay, so it's working. That was really simple. Okay, I really like this new version, as I've already said 50 times now. And oh my god, is that, what's that in the top left corner? Does that say, let me take off my glass. This, oh, this version of Unity will not bankrupt. No, that's impossible. Oh my god, yeah, that said that. Okay, it says this version of Unity will not bankrupt you if your game does well. Oh my god, guys, that's impossible. We could never expect that from Unity to like do that to us, not to bankrupt us. I mean, that's amazing. Let's be honest, my game is not gonna get 10 downloads, but you know, it's the principle. Okay, guys, it's the principle. Wow, okay, so I really like it. As I already said, there's a link in the description to download this, and maybe we can all download this new version, and then we don't have to have the old version anymore. Since I mean, I've heard this shit. Okay, yeah, I might just be porting my game to this then, to this new version, since you know it's so good. Okay, yeah, so join me. Maybe you try it out. This new version might work for you. It might be, you know, take some getting used to, but it seems really cool to me. I guess that's it. I mean, until the next update. Bye now. You see this new version of Unity? Yeah, this new version, they put out. No, what do you mean? It's not. Yeah, that's Unity. Yeah, it is. I mean, it says. What do you mean? It says somewhere it's not. Godot. Yeah, that's Unity GDT. Godot. I guess that's like that was a short for it. They do 3 letters because that's kind of like the thing, I guess. Yeah. That's Unity GDT. Godot. I don't know how you pronounce it. Nobody knows. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll be using it. Yeah. You gonna start using it too? Oh, that's cool. We can use it together then. We can help each other out. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah, but you know, but